Here with Lisa Kelly, infamous Kelly's Automotive,
Infamous.
Oregon.
Yeah.
And so my question to you is that, so we are kindred spirits.
Yes.
What we focus on with culture and how important it is to us. I leave the host shop meeting having a conversation with you, which I'm excited about because of the impact I think the group's had on me, even with regards to my focus on culture. But how's it impacted you with regards to your culture and your thoughts on that?
So, like you, I'm naturally inclined to think that culture is very, very important.
Yeah.
But to have the group, one, reiterate that, get other ideas from other people to kind of up my game constantly. One, I'm very competitive, so I want to make sure that my culture is the best, right?
Yeah.
So I'm constantly grabbing ideas from everybody else. Like when I stole from you, like you do auctions every Christmas. So I upped it and I do them every month.
Okay.
And it's just the constant feedback that we get from people. Also, my husband's not naturally inclined to think about culture. So to have other business owners, especially men in this area, show how important it is and the benefit of it going forward and making your business better and making your staff happy is huge. And so I'm going to get on a little soapbox real quick. For those of you that are listening, what we know is if your employees are not happy, they have higher risks of heart disease, cancer, drug use, divorce, their children are unhappy. So not only is it the moral thing to do, it's the profitable thing to do because there's less absenteeism, they get more work done. You're going to be more profitable by just doing the right thing. So as you're thinking about your company, think about making your culture the best it can be.
What I find amazing is, to your point, the atmosphere and the relaxed feeling that the entire store and culture has, right? It's not as tense, and the impact on people sometimes isn't measurable, so it's pretty impactful.
Well, when your staff is happy, they're going to take care of the paying clients,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
They're your number one client. So once you take care of them, everything else is taken care of.
Very good. Another pro service nugget. See ya.